What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am backpacking in Colorado right now, and last week I went over all the camera gear that I use while I'm filming on every trip, but specifically the one in Colorado that I'm on right now. And in this week's video, I'm going to go over the food that I'm taking with me. So let's get into it. This is my food for the entire Colorado trip, which is 4 days and roughly 25 to 26 miles, somewhere in there. And this whole bag weighs 4.09 pounds. And let me open it up and I'll show you what all is in there. So real quick, I'm going to go through the food I'm bringing, and then I'm going to spend a little more time on kind of how I plan out my meals and make sure that I have enough plus a little bit extra. So real quick, I have for breakfast, both Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning, a Cliff Builder's bar with 20 grams of protein, as well as a Kroger brand, a Walmart brand, dark chocolate and peanut butter protein bar as well. This one has, I believe, only 10 grams of protein. I was right. So I'm going to be eating this for breakfast every morning on the trail. So that's that. Also, for Thursday night's dinner, I have a Knorr's pasta, chicken and broccoli dish, and I'll also be throwing in a cracked sea salt and pepper tuna pouch to add to the protein in that. So that's my dinner one of the nights. For my dinner, Friday night, because that one was Thursday, I'm going to also have a Knorr's pasta dish. This is butter and herb, and I'm going to throw another tuna pouch in it. So that's my second dinner. My third dinner, you'll see a theme: Knorr's pasta sides, Alfredo and broccoli, and a lemon and pepper tuna in. So that's going to be my dinner for Saturday night. Sunday, we're going to only have about a mile or two to hike out, so I'm going to have just snacks to munch on that day. And Thursday, we're going to be getting to the trailhead around 11:30 or 12, maybe 12:31. And so I'm only going to need snacks to hike in. So during the days on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and on the way out Sunday, I have 4 munchies. I brought trail mix. This is I'll cut to what brand this is, what type it is. So I have that to munch on. I also took a pound of pepperonis and weighed it out to half a pound. So I have half a pound of pepperonis to eat all, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and if there's any left over, Sunday. And then I also have some bacon jerky that I'll snack on during the day as well. One other thing that I brought for snacks is these. These are Fruze balls, peanut butter and jelly, and they have like 3 grams of protein, 126 calories each container. There's 6 of them in here, so I figure I'll eat 2 or 3 Thursday, couple Friday, and maybe if there is any left over Saturday, I'll have some as well. But that is also there for me to munch on. And then I got one of these for each day. This is a honey stinger, honey flavor, and I have 3 of these. So one for Friday, Saturday, or one for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, because I won't need one Sunday. Only other thing that I am bringing with me, and then we'll get into how I plan this out, is I have 3 electrolyte drinks. And then, last but not least, my coffee. I have Cafe Bustelo, individual packs. And then I also threw in 3 Echinacea Plus teas in case I want to have a hot tea at night. That's it. That's all my food. That's what I'm bringing. So let me go into how I plan this out. So for me, in my case, I know that I need food for Thursday evening, all day Friday, all day Saturday, and then Sunday morning. So I lay everything out on the table and set aside dinner and snacks for Thursday, breakfast for Friday, lunch for Friday, dinner for Friday, breakfast for Saturday, lunch for Saturday, dinner for Saturday, and then breakfast and snacks for Sunday. So now that I have it all laid out, I take a gallon or quart Ziploc bag and begin to take my dinner for Thursday, my snacks for Thursday, and my breakfast for Friday morning and put them in one separate Ziploc. I do the same thing for Friday's dinner, Friday's snacks, and Saturday's breakfast. And finally, I do the same thing for Saturday's dinner, Saturday's snacks, and Sunday's breakfast. My coffee will go separate in my food bag, as well as my trail mix, pepperonis, and beef jerky in my hip belt pockets. So now that I have it all sorted out, I'll stick everything into one stuff sack, leaving, like I said, my beef jerky and trail mix and pepperonis for my hip belt pockets. The only thing I would do on the trail that I did not do in this video is take out each day's food out of my stuff sack and put it at the top of my backpack for easy accessibility. There you have it. This is my food. All 4.09 pounds of it. And the only thing that I have not put in here that I will, only because I haven't bought it yet, is some goo pouches. And I'll put what the added weight of those are on the screen. I think I'm only going to have 3 or 4 of them. So that's it, guys. This is my food that I'm taking to Colorado. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. I've had a blast going on these adventures with you, and come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button, and I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.
Hey, Gino, you going dumb.